If you want to fix TikTok you're tapping too fast problem, you've come to the right place. So let's open our TikTok app, and this problem often appears and you're trying to subscribe, you're trying to like, you're trying to comment. So as you can see, I can easily paste likes on these polls. So how can we fix this problem easily? All we need to do is just to simply click on profile icon in the right bottom corner, and we'll come to this page here. So after that, we need to click on more in the right top corner to open this page, where we need to click on settings and privacy. So after that, we need to scroll down for a little to find support and about area, and here we need to click on report a problem. And after that, we need to find the necessary topic as for us. And as you can see, we have a lot of different things we can click on, but we can click on follow, likes and comments. As for me, this is the most suitable topic. And after that, as you can see, we have a lot of different stuff here. For example, on likes, we have the topic which is called tapping too fast. And all we need to do is just to simply click on it. Then we can find some reasons why can we receive this problem. As you can see, they say that we need to wait like in 24 hours. Let's click on no, it didn't help. So let's click on need more help now. And after that, on this page, we need to explain our problem. We need to write something like this. I can't tap. I need more, for example, likes a day. Help me, please. You can also add some screenshots or videos, and after that, just simply click on submit. And in a few seconds or minutes, the TikTok support team will receive our message, and probably they will help us, they will fix it. But you need to understand that if you are like tapping too fast, all you need to do is to solve this problem. Just simply wait for 24 hours. So this is a way of how can we fix this problem. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.